Pink Fifi, and today we'll be burning fireworks. And
Angel, awesome possum, awesome.
And
Katie, awesome kitty.
Okay, class. Okay, I'm too dangerous and crazy, so I'm gonna get died. Ow. You're not supposed to use. You're not supposed to do this. Here you go. You're not supposed to use. I dropped it. Who knows? It's super hot. Oh, yeah, it's burning.
It's an emergency. Somebody call the fireworks.
Fireworks, so we'll get more emergencies.
I'm not throwing this thing.
Okay, I'll put that.
Please. Let's throw it at us, please. Hey, throw it at us and then we come around like in the action movie. Okay, I'm the bad guy. You're the bad guy. Throw it at me. Stop throwing at me. You should. Hallelujah. Hi guys, it's me, Asamidia. Oh yeah. Aw.
Hey, do you mind like what you did?
And then you throw it at me, and I'm the hero that comes out of it.
I want to do a little.
Okay, because Kitty, can I hold it for a second? Oh, I think it's right. It burned. It's all jello. I burned it.
It was funny. You're like, ah! So, what do you guys got to say? Bye!
Angel burned himself so hard. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, don't forget to subscribe for me.
You mean
subscribe.
me?
Me, actually.
Me!
It's my channel.
Her channel's on subscribe for her.
Yes.